A sample of sodium phosphate weighing 54.5 milligrams contains radioactive P32. If 15.6% of phosphorus atoms in the compound is P32, how many disintegrations of this nucleus occur per second in this sample? Half-life of P32 is 14.3 days. So we need to find out how many disintegrations implies we need to find out the activity of the phosphorus. And we know that activity should be calculated. So activity will be equal to activity. Activity is given by, that is A, is given by lambda into N, where N is the number of atoms. Here N is number of P32 atoms, means number of radioactive atoms. So for that we require number of moles first. So therefore moles of sodium phosphate Na3PO4 will be equal to mass by molar mass. Mass by molar mass, which is equal to, so 54.5 milligrams is given. So grams we have converted by its molar mass comes out to be 164. So this value is equal to 0.3323 10 to the power of minus 3. So this many moles of sodium phosphate we have. Now we get number of moles of P32. So number of moles of P32, which is equal to 15.6, this much percentage you have. So 15.6 of this many moles, 3323 10 to the power of minus 3. So which is equal to, this comes out to be, at the end we can calculate this because we require number of atoms. So we need not do this calculation here. So we'll find out number of atoms also. Now number of P32 atoms will be equal to moles multiplied by Avogadro's number. So we got moles here. We multiply this into Avogadro's number then now. So which is equal to 15.6 by 100 into 0.3323 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into Avogadro's number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. This gives number of atoms, which comes out to be 0.3122 into 10 to the power of 20. So many atoms of phosphorus 32 we have. Now activity is equal to, activity is equal to lambda into N, which is equal to lambda 0.693 by half-life 14.3. Half-life is given there as 14.3, days is given there. So into number of atoms 0.3122 10 to the power of 20. This comes out to be 0.01513 into 10 to the power of 20. This will be per day, activity per day now. When it comes to DPS, which is equal to 0.01513 into 10 to the power of 20 by 24 into 3600. This will be coming out in DPS, which is equal to 1.75 into 10 to the power of 13, so many DPS. So 1.75, 10 power 13 is the activity. This is activity which we found out.